Hello, fourth grade. Today we're going to talk about the brain and the nerves. For the first part of our lessons on the brain, you're going to need the Mystery Science page. It looks like this one. It's Think Fast. You need your blank piece of paper, a ruler, and a partner. Now, the blank piece of paper is for the quick experiment in the video. So if you've already seen that and already done that, then you don't need that blank piece of paper. You just need this one, the ruler, and then you'll need somebody to help you. Here's the link for the Mystery Science video. The video comes first. The one that we watched today will be first, and then how to do the experiment will come after that. So if you don't need to watch the video again, then just move to the experiment part, and then that will show you step by step what you're going to do today, and it has to do with your brain's reaction. So a little bit more on the brain. Your brain works hard. It's like a computer that answers my questions and sends messages to my body. The brain weighs between 2 and 3 pounds when you're an adult. The brain is very fragile and soft, so it's protected by the very hard bone called the skull. And when you're young, these are several bones. And then as you grow older, they do what's called fusing together and make one big, hard skull to protect your brain. I have nerves in my brain. They're like little telephone lines that send messages all over my body. Some of these messages go to my body through my spinal cord. Messages from my brain move very quickly through my body. And so here's an example of what scientists have found out about what different areas of the brain do. So you see smell there, vision, language, balance, coordination, and memory. So we believe different parts of your brain have different jobs. My brain keeps my heart beating and my lungs breathing. It makes me move. My brain makes me think and remember things. My brain helps me talk, write, see, smell, hear, and many other things. Remember, your brain is like the boss. It's in charge of everything. This is an example of how it sits in your head. So your skull would be surrounding it, and then that would be the shape of your brain inside your head. So for your brain today, you need your brain page and scissors, glue or tape, and then you need gray and gold crayons, markers, or colored pencils. So you're going to color your brain gray. Again, we call it your gray matter sometimes. So the brain is gray and the spinal cord is gold. That's where the majority of the nerves leaving the brain go along the spinal cord. We call that whole collection of nerves together. A lot of the messages from your body run up the spinal cord to your brain. So it is also very important. So you're going to cut out your brain, and your brain, of course, goes in your head. This is what it looks like with your digestive system already in place, and then the bones and the muscles we talked about already in place. Again, you can glue your brain down, no problem. Your face is going to go over your brain. So we're not going to glue the face down completely, but your brain you can glue down completely. It goes right there in your head. All right, then that's all for today's lesson with the brain. We have the heart and the lungs left to take a look at. So I will talk to you soon. Bye.